Oh my god, guys, once again it smells so good. What in the hell? Super important tip that I'm gonna give you. Like, my hair feels so soft. Oh my goodness. Yes. Excuse me? Okay. It's looking very nice. So far, so good. Hey guys, what's up? If you're new here, welcome to my channel and welcome to my shower. But if you know me, hi, what's up? How have you been? How's everything? And thank you for clicking that video. Today, I'm super excited because I'm gonna review a product for you. I'm actually using only new products in this video, and this brand sent me some goodies to try out for you guys, and then they also gave me a discount code, so you know, I'm gonna try it out. And if you feel like you want to try, just check out the description box below. I will have a link with a discount for you guys. So yeah, I'm super excited to be trying that out. So yeah, grab a cup of tea, okay, get comfortable just like me. You know, I'm drinking tea in the shower. I always do this. Why? I don't know, but that's what I do and it's okay. So before we jump right into the video, let me show you guys the products that I'm gonna use. So the first product that I'm gonna be using is a shampoo, or they call it a hair cleanser. So now the second product I'm going to be using is a hair moisturizer. So it is very much like a conditioner, I'm guessing. This is the last product that I will be using, and this is the curl cream, and it is their styling product. Let's get into the video. Okay, so now that my hair is wet and that I rinsed the pre-poo that I had, we're gonna be moving to shampooing, and I'm super excited to try this hair cleanser. Sorry, I do know it's ridiculous that I'm drinking tea in my shower, just don't judge me, okay? So as I was saying, I'm gonna move to the shampoo, and the way we're gonna do this is that I'm gonna put a lot of shampoo in my hand, and then I'm gonna massage my scalp. I usually don't really apply any shampoo on my ends because they're super dry and they don't need like an extra cleaning anyways. What does need cleaning is my scalp, because my hair is just all dense in there and I feel like it's not really breathing, and you know, I'm adding products throughout the whole week. So yeah, it's really important that you clean your scalp to kind of like make sure that it's free of everything like product buildup, toxins, everything that's been accumulating on your hair for a week. Ooh, I like it. I don't know why, it's so satisfying. Oh my god. It smells like sunscreen. So yeah, you just want to be massaging your scalp. So my first impression of the shampoo, it is really soft and really creamy. Yeah, so I really like that about it. It feels creamy, it feels moisturizing. That's the good thing. Hi, this is the hair moisturizer that I showed you guys before. I am gonna put a lot of it on all my hair, and I am actually gonna separate my hair because before my hair was really short, so I didn't really need to separate and I was a bit lazy to do it. But now that my hair is getting long, I am gonna separate my hair between 4 sections to make sure that all my hair gets the product. So I'm gonna be doing a line in the middle. Okay, so I am separating my hair in 4 sections. And then I didn't properly detangle my hair in a long time. Sis. So today we're gonna see if that conditioner is good at, you know, making my hair soft and easy to manage, easy to detangle as they're claiming on the bottle. And this is what we're working with today. I am gonna add a little bit more water. You wanna make sure when you put conditioner on your hair that your hair is super damp. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like flower, literally like flower. And then I'm just gonna be applying the product on my hair, and then I'm gonna be finger detangling my hair at first, and then I'm gonna use a brush or a comb because sis, finger detangling is amazing, but I still feel like once a month you need to detangle your hair with a brush or a comb, because otherwise I feel like you cannot really get in here and just make sure that your hair is properly detangled. That's my opinion. Your hair might be different. Mine is mine. Oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. It smells so good. And I do feel like the conditioner restored the moisture back into my hair that was kind of gone from the shampoo. Yeah, definitely. And I do agree that a good shampoo makes your hair feel super clean, and my hair feels super clean right now. So, you know, as long as the conditioner is making it up for the shampoo, that works with me. Okay, and then I'm gonna be using a Denman brush to make sure that my hair is like super detangled. This is the painful part, okay? It hurts, it hurts. If you have curly hair, you feel me. Comment down below if you also, ow, struggle to detangle your hair. My hair is detangled properly. My scalp is sore because of detangling. But you know, this is just hashtag curly hair girl life. Okay, and then I did a little twist, you know, just to make sure that my hair doesn't get tangled and all that, and to make sure that everything gets the moisture in, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing the rest of my hair. Okay, so I am done with applying the conditioner throughout my hair. Again, first impressions, amazing. I love that product. The sleep that it gave me to kind of detangle my hair was so good, and it smells so good, and I really feel like it moisturizes my hair. But I do want to give you my impressions also once I let it rest for about 30 minutes, I'm gonna say, and I'm gonna use a heated cap to dry my hair. For those of you who don't know what a heated cap is, I will pop a little picture here, and this just allows your hair to really absorb the moisture, and it's usually better if your hair struggles a little bit to absorb the moisture. So this should be a whole video by itself. You have two types of hair porosity. You have low hair porosity, which means that your hair does not really absorb any moisture, and you have high hair porosity, where your hair absorbs a lot of the moisture. And anyways, for someone like me that is low hair porosity, I need to make sure that the product penetrates through my hair properly, and a way to do that is through heat. So obviously I'm not gonna like blow dry my hair or whatever. That's not the kind of heat I'm talking about here. I'm talking about putting your hair under a plastic cap and then putting a heated hood, and putting a hood that is connected to a blow dryer. So it's basically just gonna blow hot air on your cap, like the plastic cap. So it's basically gonna use heat, but since there is a plastic cap, this is not damaging your hair. It's just gonna create the heat that's gonna make the moisture and the water go through your hair, and that's how your hair is perfectly moisturized and good to go. And that's how you have healthy hair, that's how you have growth, that's how you have everything that you've always wanted. And if you don't want healthy hair, if you don't want your natural hair, girl, you need to go on that journey. It is worth it. I know it's scary, I've been there. I want to talk about my hair journey because that's something that obviously is so personal to every girl. But I just want that if ever you have curly hair but you straighten your hair like I did for years, and you had straight hair basically most of your life, and you're thinking maybe that you would want to have your natural hair but you don't really know how to do, subscribe to that channel, okay? Because I'm gonna just help you guys out, because this is literally why I started my channel. I'm like, listen, I need to explain the word, how do you do to get your hair natural, popping, all that, and especially to accept your hair, because at the end of the day, this is the most important. You need to accept your hair in all its shape, form. I don't have anything else to say, but you know, you get me. Hi, so I am back. It's been an hour that I had this on, and I'm a bit cold, okay? I've been hanging out with my wet sport bra that I'm using to hide myself from you. Okay, so this is how my hair looks like so far. Okay, so I just rinsed the conditioner and my hair is so soft, so moisturized, like I can feel it. No, you guys, I did not expect the conditioner to be this good. It's actually so good. Like, my hair feels so soft, oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the last product, which is the curl cream. So yeah, I'm really excited to see if this is gonna be enough, because usually I always put a cream and then I follow up with a gel. Oh my god, that was cold. Yeah, and then I follow up with a gel. But I watched a review of this product, and actually this girl was using the same gel as the one I had, and she said that it wasn't really working together, so I'm not gonna take that risk. And as you guys can see, my hair is super damp, super wet, and this is a super important tip that I'm gonna give you. Okay, if you want curl definition, your hair has to be dripping wet, like dripping wet, and then you apply product, okay? So I am trying, oh my god, guys, once again, it smells so good. What in the hell? And you know, it's up to you how much product do you want to use. It depends on your hair. I have a lot of hair and it's really dry and it benefits from a lot of products. So I'm going heavy-handed. Then, woo, but wow, I love it. It's very different from other creams that I use because, so I'm still getting a lot of definition, but what I love is that I love the way my hair is. It's very like poofy, like I have a lot of volume and it's really nice. But yeah, this is so great because I'm getting some volume, I'm getting some curl definition, I'm getting some I'm getting some moisturized curls. So I mean, what else do you need, girl? What else? Perfect. So I am going to finish whatever I'm doing in the shower and then I will come back to you to give you my final impressions and kind of like my review, you know. So guys, here we are. I have the product in my hair and it's actually the 5th or the 6th day since I first started this video. So it's really cool because I'm gonna tell you basically my impression using this product after like the first few days that I used it, and then now I'm gonna show you how it turns out when it's dry because my hair is gonna be dry right now. If you guys don't know about the method that I'm using right now, it's called wet plopping, and wet plopping, basically, if you don't know what it is, you should watch my last video. I'm gonna put a link right here. But yeah, wet plopping is an amazing method if you want to maintain curl definition and you also want to have a lot of volume. So yeah, just watch my last video, subscribe to my channel, and you're good to go, girl. Okay. Excuse me? Okay. It's looking very nice. So far, so good. Nice. So, okay, first of all, let's fix the lighting because there is something wrong. I look whiter than ever. Okay, so this is my hair once it's dry. It's not completely dry at the back, but it is completely dry in the front. So you get to see how does the product work. And overall, I like how my hair turned out in terms of the volume and how moisturized it is. But I will tell you, I am not so happy about the curl definition because I have used products before that do a way better job at defining my curls. But then, you know, it's kind of like you lose curl definition so you can get volume. So it's always a trade-off and there is very few products that will give you both together. Okay, so let's wrap up and give the final thoughts. So I like this brand overall. I think it's a great brand. The shampoo and the conditioner, I would definitely recommend it. I think it's really great for you if you're trying to get volume and if you're trying to get your curls moisturized. The curl cream, I will not recommend that curl cream if you have my type of hair and if what you're trying to achieve is curl definition. And that's just because, again, I lost a lot of curl definition and maybe I didn't use the product right, or maybe it's just like not for me, you know. And I think that if you have more type 2 or type 3 hair, so if you don't know what is type 2 or type 3, Google it and try to be a bit more aware of like your curl type and your hair type so that you kind of know which product works for you. But for curls that are less tight than me and maybe less coily, let's say, that would work for you. Because the issue is that it did not eliminate the frizz for me and it did not do a good job at defining my curls, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming. And thank you guys. I hope you're all safe and I will see you later. Bye!